how to add frequently asked questions on Wix. So first go to your Wix dashboard here and then just click on edit site. After that you will go here, and then after clicking on edit site, just go to the page of your store that you want to add the FAQ section in. So for example, I want to add the FAQ in category page. So I'll go here, then I want to add it at the bottom, just like so. Then just click on add apps, and then just search for Wix FAQ. Okay, now click on this application here. Okay, now just click on add to site. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, just drag your FAQ, resize it. So for example, I want to size it like this. Okay. So for example, I want it to look like this. So if you want to edit it, just click on it like so, and just click on manage FAQs. And then after that, okay, now you will see all of the default sections here, the general questions and the setting up FAQs. So if you want to edit one of them, just click on edit here. And yep, as you can see, you can edit a question and you can add the answer. So if you want to add a question, or question and answer, just click here, add new, and then you can also add a category, and you can also generate FAQs. And if you want to add chat to site, just click here. So after setting up everything here, just close this and just click on save, and let's see what it would look like on our site. Just click on preview. So for example, this is how it would look like when you visit your site. So if you're satisfied with this, just click on publish, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.